Hi, friends. Yeah, today is the May 19th. In Toronto area is the now 11 a.m. pasting. Today also I talked about one gentleman, yeah, about 50 meters, middle of the 50s. Yeah, he has the 25 years the cicada singing, cicada crying noises, ear ringing, 25 years. Yeah, he can't hear the left ear. So we're gonna treat how did he? Maybe the 3 times something, 4 times will be divided. You keep watching. But just one doing, checking your feeling. If you have the ear problems, anyone saying, yeah, but anyway, ear ringing today. So one video you doing, following, you checking how is changed your ear ringing, or other your ear problems, eye problems, nose problems, mouth problems, headaches. Why? Yeah, right. Our whole body organs connected by the meridians, broad chains by the so they are affected. If even here's the problem, something sometimes will treat by the finger or the toes, foot. Okay, when we got something problem here, noises, pains, right, we have to check at first the far away places. The far away places, they effect is some smaller than direct places, but closed places, but that's go to the long time, the effect going long time, and more closed, finally that place, something the problem place is checking, there's that area you can't some big pain, there's also, it's not same, because we check everywhere, you find the big pain, that's the place, that's the right place, and have to kill the pain. Okay, then 100% you remove the pain, you'll be okay, you'll be free from that pain or the disease. If it's more some 50% removed, it's not good? No, it's good. You have the availability already, possibility. So keep doing. That depends on you. How you gonna keep doing? Depends on your endeavor. So keep doing. For this one, I'm gonna show to the which area. Foot. Now we said the first fifth finger. There's we have the ear problem. Okay, same toes to same.